Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Nomadic Notes. Myself Aisha and I make travel related videos. You won't believe me if I say that there exists a town in India where it doesn't matter which hotel you stay in. Just open a window and you will be blessed with astonishing views of snow-capped Mount Kanchenjunga and other Himalayan peaks. I'm talking about Pelling in Sikkim, a nature paradise. Pelling is a beautiful town in West Sikkim and most popular for breathtaking views of the Kanchenjunga peak and the Himalayas. So, if you're planning on going to Peliing recently, then this video will be really helpful for you. And the points that I'm going to cover, that is how to reach Peliing, getting around in Peliing, what are the must-see places, best time to visit in Peliing, where to stay, best food options at Peliing. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to support my channel by subscribing it, share, like, and in the comment section you can mention any queries related to this video and definitely I'm going to reply it. So without wasting further time, let's start today's video. How to reach Peliing? By air, you can choose to directly fly to Pakyong. Pakyong is the one and only airport in Sikkim. Pakyong Airport is at a distance of 120 kilometers from Pelling. You can also opt to fly to Bagdogra International Airport. Bagdogra is actually well connected with flights from Kolkata and other major cities and towns of India. This is the best way to reach Pelling by air as flights are more often to Bagdogra rather than Pakyong. Since being an airport bounded by mountains and clouds, flights are not that regular to this airport. The cheapest and most preferred way to reach Peliing is via railways. The nearest railhead is New Jalpaiguri, NGP, which is nearly 137 kilometers from Peliing. NGP is well connected to major Indian cities such as New Delhi, Guwahati, Kolkata, etc. via railways. Shared jeeps to Peliing are not directly available from the NGP station, but they are available from SNT, that is Sikkim National Transport Stand at Siliguri. SNT stand is around 9.3 kilometers from NGP station and can be reached by a shared auto. From Siliguri, it takes around 6 to 7 hours to reach Peliing, and SNT buses are also available, but I would suggest you that due to the higher elevation, Peliing is better visited in shared jeeps. Getting around Peliing. Peliing town is divided into three parts: Upper Peliing, Middle Peliing and Lower Peliing. Upper Peliing has most number of hotels among the three, so you can find most of the other backpackers and tourists roaming around. Also, the views from the Upper Peliing are the best due to its location. Middle and Lower Peliing consist of the local shops and marketplace, so you can simply walk to the places of interest as Peliing is a very small town. Compared to other tourist places of Sikkim, Peliing is still not so crowded. This leaves some space for you to spend some calm and soothing days. Just you, a cup of tea and the breathtaking surroundings. One of the best time to visit Peliing are during the month of March to May. During this time, the snow melts, new vegetation starts to sprout, giving the town a lush green color with various flowers blooming. So it is one of the best time to catch a glimpse of Mount Kanchenjunga. You can also opt to visit Peliing during the months of October to November. The weather during these 2 months remains pleasant during the day and turns colder at night. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक कुछ शेयर करने वाली हूँ. So rice as an ingredient has been used for generation in Southeast Asia to keep skin healthy and to achieve that glass-like skin. And to achieve that, we always have to do all those time-consuming DIYs, but forget everything because Mama Earth have already introduced a rice water range products that gives you a clear and brighter like skin, which is enriched with goodness of rice and niacinamide. And the rice water face scrubs comes with a unique crushed ice texture for gentle exfoliation that gives your skin a cooling effect and also removes the dead cell. And this scrub you can use on a daily basis because it is made safe certified, which means it contains no toxin, parabens or harmful chemicals. So I'm using this product since last 1 week and I've got a really very good result. So मैंने एक ग्लास स्किन रिफ्लेक्शन चैलेंज लिया था और उस चैलेंज में मैं एकदम खरी उतरी हूँ और मेरा स्किन डेफिनेटली हैव चेंज्ड, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्लो कर रहा है. आप भी ये चैलेंज ले सकते हो मेरे साथ. आप लोग भी 7 दिन का चैलेंज लेके देखिए कि आपका ये स्किन कैसे डिफरेंट होता है बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. यू कैन सेंड द पिक, you can tag me in Instagram, anywhere, wherever, even you can mention in the comment section. And we all know that Mama Earth is all about goodness inside. We have taken a very great initiative, that is whenever you're going to order on a Mama Earth, they will directly link your order to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, it is the aim of Mama Earth that they are going to plant 1 million trees. And Mama Earth is plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. And all the products of Mama Earth you are going to get in Amazon, Nykaa, Mama Earth official website as well as on Mama Earth app. And while ordering, you can use my coupon, that is Aisha2022, to get an extra 20% off. Now let us continue with the video. Must see places in Pelling. Skywalk. The first place that you can visit is Skywalk. Peliing Skywalk was the key attraction of our visit, and in November 2018, Sikkim got India's first Skywalk. The attraction is 10 km from Pelling and 50 km from Ravangla. The glass-bottom skywalk overlooks the marvelous valleys and mountains. A long hall of the stairs with golden prayer wheels on both the sides leads up to 137 feet tall statue of Geyzing. But please note, skywalk is not for the faint-hearted or anyone who has vertigo. And everyone must take off shoes and wear socks, and the ticket price for tourists is around ₹50 and the timings are from 8 AM till 5 PM every day. From Skywalk, you can directly go to Sangcholing Monastery. This is one of the oldest monastery of Sikkim, and it was built in the year of 1697 and later it was devastated in a fire. The Gumpa is located on a hilltop at the rear of the town of Pelling. To reach the monastery, you have to take 15 minutes uphill hike from the skywalk. But the walk is quite comfortable, it's not that difficult. And the most exciting aspects were the large stone stupa with golden tips on the compound that withstood the assault of time. Peliing helipad is located at the heart of the town, just a kilometer away from the police chowk of Peliing. The place offers stunning panoramic views of the mountain Kanchenjunga range along with all other surrounding mountains. However, the place does not have any regular helicopter services. A stay at this place for quite a few minutes gives a pleasant feeling within yourself. The next destination that you must visit is Raptansi. Raptansi was once the capital of the Kingdom of Sikkim. The ruins are 10 km from Peliing and 40 km from Ravangla. The invading Gorkha army destroyed the city in the 18th century, and today its ruin stands as center of its regal past. Archaeological Survey of India declared the Raptansi ruins as a heritage site. But please note, for uphill, one may take the right-hand route from the fork. The right-hand route will take 15 minutes to reach the summit, whereas the left-hand route from the fork is a mix of flat trails and uphill, and it will take 30 minutes. Use the left-hand route for coming down. And a pair of comfortable shoes is a must, and there is no entry fee for the ruins, and the timings are 8 am till 5 pm every day. From Rapdense ruins, go to Pemangse Monastery. The Pemangse Monastery is one of the oldest and premier monastery of Sikkim. The monastery is 10 km from Pelling and 40 km from Ravangla. The Gumpa gives a perfect place to relax in solitary and listen to the sounds of nature as one explores the 300 years old monastery. The site reflects the rich architecture and unwavering faith of the Buddhist followers. Gangtok, Peliing has become the second most important tourist destination in Sikkim, and because of this many hotels have come up so late, and Upper Peliing has most number of hotels, so you will be getting most number of hotels with a view of Mount Kanchenjunga, and the standard hotel starts between 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees per night. Food option at Pelling. Due to increase in tourism at Pelling, many restaurants, fast food corners have come up. You can also find all variety of food here. Sikkim Tourist Center, Norbu Gang, Melting Point are the popular hotels to dine. But I would suggest you definitely try the traditional momos and thukpa, which are available on most roadside stalls. Such an amazing list things to do in Peliing, no wonder it is one of the top places to visit in Sikkim. Now all you have to do is book your trip to Sikkim and look forward to a wonderful vacation filled with memories and smiles. And if I miss out any of the awesome things to do here, then let me know in the comment section given below. And if you find this video to be helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So we'll meet very soon in our next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and bye.